Stop by and take a look at 2017 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system, universal garage door opener, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.